Sisi, look, I have something for you.
What's that?
What is that?
I don't want.
Di ba you want money?
Yeah.
You wanted to buy Oreo?
Yeah.
I have something. I have
What
some.
is that?
I have money inside of me.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Are you sure, bro?
Open your hand. Put it there.
No.
Under my hand.
No, I know that.
What? You know, that's some money. Do you want to buy Oreo? Buy you're hungry.
Yeah.
Open your hand. I'll give you money.
No, open.
What do you think of inside of my hand?
Open it.
Give me your hand. Give me your
No.
hand. Do you think this is money?
No.
What do you think inside of my hand? In my palm?
I don't know.
You don't know? Can you guess it?
That is not.
What is that?
That is
You said you wanted to buy Oreo.
Huh?
You said you wanted to buy Oreo.
what is that?
I'll give you something. Buy to Lolo.
Huh?
Lolo, pabili ng ng Oreo. Bayad ko na eh.
Open.
Give me
no.
What's that?
Open.
What's called this?
See.
What's English of CD? You don't know? It's chili. Silly. Nahihingi siya guys ang pambili ng biscuit. Wala naman ang perang dala dito sa taas. So, ginoko siya.
I told you.
Anong I told you? I told you. Drink your water na. The lukewarm water.
Well,
It's already turning cold na. It will turn cold na because you don't drink that. You need to be.
no.
You need to
No.
Oh no.
Don't. I have some.
You need to drink this. Ala, dun na. You need to empty this this glass,
No.
this cup. You need to drink a lot of water so that our body will
Wait.
clean.
I see.